This is the X-Box. It's a 2001 Porsche Boxster, base model, 2.7 liter engine. Has a winch up front. I think that's a 5-ton winch. Single radiator in the center. The corner radiators are gone. Big hole cut in the front to let air in. Side. The wheels are the smallest wheels I could get on it, 16-inch Boxster wheel, and the tires are about the biggest I could fit on it, which are 31-inch. Engine transmission are pretty stock. It's a Tiptronic transmission, manually shifted automatic, custom exhaust. Custom top made from the roof of a 2003 Audi A8. It's aluminum sheet. This car is basically a collection of the worst parts that I had available to be a low-budget build. Went in the $2,000 challenge with Grassroots Motorsports initially, and came in, I think it was 16th out of about 60 cars, involving an autocross, drag race, and a car show. Took all the heating system out, air conditioning out when I was lightening the car, so now it has a custom setup to defog the windows. Doesn't have a horn, so I've got a cowbell. Typically off-road, I'll carry a couple spare tires rather than just that one small one in the back.